Recent events pertaining to the export of Nvidia chips to China have catalyzed profound shifts within the global technology landscape. The United States, in a decisive move, has imposed a ban on the export of specific AI chips. This action has triggered a cascade of concerns and repercussions, with far-reaching consequences for both Nvidia and the Chinese technology sector. Semiconductors, those critical components that power countless devices, occupy a pivotal role in the global economy. China, in particular, relies heavily on chip imports. The specific chips targeted by the export controls set forth by the Biden administration are vital to the realms of supercomputing and artificial intelligence, envisioning a robust future for China's AI advancements. Such advancements have the potential to fuel its economic prowess, advance military capabilities, and intensify surveillance systems. The United States, keen on limiting China's access to these chips, has opted to curtail their export from nations maintaining friendly ties with the United States. The initial implementation of the ban on exporting Nvidia chips to China was expected in November, but it was expedited, catching many industry stakeholders by surprise. The Department of Commerce, the authority overseeing these export controls, opted not to furnish an official rationale, engendering speculation within the industry. Leaving us a like proves you like what we do here. Then be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to be notified of any recent video. Thank you. China, undaunted by these restrictions, has redoubled its efforts to compete in chip design and manufacturing, spanning both contemporary and older technologies. This proactive stance presents Washington with a formidable challenge, as China may exploit the United States' dependence on Chinese chips. Nvidia, a titan in the semiconductor domain, acknowledges that the export ban will undoubtedly impact its operations. However, it has sought to allay investor concerns, emphasizing that the immediate financial ramifications are relatively contained. By diversifying its customer base and concentrating on other global regions where demand for its AI chips remains robust, Nvidia aims to mitigate the consequences of restricted sales to China, thereby securing its growth trajectory. China has historically served as a significant revenue source for Nvidia, particularly in the data center segment. However, the U.S. government's apprehensions regarding the proliferation of advanced AI technology into the hands of the Chinese military have necessitated these export controls. The ban has sweeping implications for Nvidia's product lineup, constraining the company's capacity to provide various data center chips to its Chinese clientele. This includes the availability of modified iterations of Nvidia's cutting-edge AI chips, such as the 800 and H800, designed to comply with prior restrictions set forth by the Biden administration. These chips are renowned for their stellar performance and see extensive use in data centers for training large language models and fueling AI applications. Furthermore, the ban extends to sales of the L40 chip, a specialized solution pivotal for graphics rendering and a staple in AI model applications. Consequently, the export ban severely disrupts Nvidia's ability to supply these essential products to its Chinese clientele. In response to the export ban, China is steadfastly endeavoring to foster its domestic AI chip industry, diminishing its reliance on foreign technology. Leading Chinese entities, including Huawei, Alibaba, Buntenson, and others, are channeling substantial investments into research, development, and production of AI chips within China's borders. This concerted effort underscores China's unwavering resolve to bolster its domestic semiconductor capabilities and assert technological sovereignty, positioning itself as a prominent contender in AI innovation. China has implemented several initiatives to achieve semiconductor self-sufficiency. The Chinese government has established significant funds, like the Integrated Circuit Industry Investment Fund, colloquially known as the Big Fund, aimed at bolstering the semiconductor industry's development. These funds have garnered billions of dollars, and China plans to raise even more through subsequent fundraising rounds. Additionally, China has launched the Central Science and Technology Commission, which offers funding and research support to major semiconductor companies. China's pursuit of advanced semiconductor technology transcends contemporary chips and encompasses legacy chips, crucial for critical infrastructure, military systems, and industrial equipment. China's ascendancy in the legacy chip domain could grant it substantial leverage and control over vital systems, potentially opening avenues for espionage activities. China's burgeoning semiconductor manufacturing industry also poses a challenge to chip design, an arena historically dominated by the United States. China's growing comparative advantage in chip design is buoyed by its status as the world's largest consumer of semiconductor devices. Chinese design firms are forging connections with customers and tailoring their products to the domestic market, leveraging lower labor costs and an expanding talent pool. China is increasingly adept at designing advanced chips domestically. Chinese startups, harnessing China's abundant engineering talent and expanding manufacturing capacity, are making strides in developing an array of processors, modules, and sensors. This market-driven approach, akin to China's success in sectors like telecommunications equipment, solar panels, and electric vehicles, has the potential to challenge U.S. dominance in chip design. In response to restrictions on exporting chips to China, Nvidia is exploring alternative revenue streams. A focal point of this diversification strategy is the Central Processing Unit (CPU) market for personal computers. Nvidia recognizes the importance of broadening its product offerings and reducing its dependence on the Chinese market. In this pursuit, Nvidia is partnering with ARM Holdings, a renowned company specializing in semiconductor intellectual property. The collaboration aims to develop CPUs tailored specifically for Microsoft's Windows operating system. While the immediate financial impact of this venture may not be immediately apparent, it represents a significant stride forward with substantial potential. Nvidia's foray into the CPU market is not only a testament to the company's commitment to adapt to evolving market dynamics, but also a means of seizing emerging opportunities that could reshape not just Nvidia's fortunes, but the broader tech industry. The export ban on Nvidia chips to China has sent shockwaves through the global technology sector. While Nvidia remains optimistic about its short-term financial performance, due to robust demand in other regions, the significance of the Chinese market cannot be understated. It is imperative to devise a policy solution that balances economic interests and national security concerns. Furthermore, China's investment in the development of homegrown AI chips underscores its determination to enhance its semiconductor capabilities, aiming for greater self-reliance. As Nvidia explores fresh opportunities in the CPU market, the entire tech industry eagerly anticipates the unfolding developments. The choices made by Nvidia and the responses from other market players will shape the future of Nvidia's business and have a momentous impact on the dynamics of the global chip market. And now let's hear from you in the comments section. If you enjoyed today's content, then leave us a like, subscribe, and ensure the bell notification is on to be notified of our recent content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.